Why Silicon Valley? Silicon Valley is home to many of the world's largest high-tech corporates, including the headquarters of more than 30 businesses. For example, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, Cisco, Chevron, Visa, Apple, Google, HP, Intel, Salesforce, just to name a few in the Fortune 1000, who all operate from the region with continued business success. It has emerged as the destination of choice for establishing technology. Silicon Valley is unique because it's a junction point for academia, the private sector, and the US government. These three all-important sectors converge together to create an environment that's unlike any other in the world. It is a culture where teams self-organize. People from various functions come together to work on specific projects by habit, not by exception, and good ideas gain momentum organically by attracting talent from around the business. Strong leadership enables true collaboration. And in the Valley, the leaders that are shaking things up combine a palpable vision with tenacity and the ability to build an organization that attracts other top thinkers. Valley companies think in terms of ecosystems, networks, and shareable services, elements that are crucial to scaling very quickly. Sure, any business needs to make money eventually, but the power of rapid scaling is a huge competitive advantage that those in the Valley understand keenly. In Silicon Valley companies, all levels of the business, from the CEO to coders to cross-functional teams, are hardwired to look at problems from the perspective of the user in order to figure out what sets of processes would create the smoothest and richest experience. They obsess about the customer, and everyone is expected to solve customer and user problems whenever and wherever they find them. Now that we have addressed the work side of the tour, what happens if your significant other would like to join us? Well, we have put together a significant other package. This package will ensure that they're kept very busy, shopping, wine tasting, relaxing in spas, and experiencing the best that Silicon Valley has to offer. This particular tour will only accommodate 24 executives, which leaves us with just 19 spots because Telco has already snagged the first 5. I'm sure at this point you're well sold on the Silicon Valley experience. And let's be honest, you wouldn't be sitting here listening to this if you didn't ask the question, the $1 million question. How much is this going to cost me? Well, let me ask you this. What is the price tag that you would put against a wholesale transformation of your entire business that will allow it to leapfrog into the 4th industrial revolution? The good news is it won't cost you $1 million. Well, maybe in Zim dollar terms. But the answer is simple. It'll cost you a business class ticket, 5-star accommodation, the best fine dining San Francisco can offer, a guided tour to stadiums. Yes, we aim to take you to an NFL game at some point. Museums, Alcatraz, wine farms, golfing, and more importantly, the once-in-a-22 learning experience of interacting with your counterparts in the leading Silicon Valley firms. Success breeds success. During the tour, we will harness the benefits of networking and specialization and experience the entrepreneurial environment of Silicon Valley, which is characterized by innovation, collaboration, and risk-taking. See you in the Valley. Good night.